So today I'm going to be setting up the Coleman 60-second instant cabin. I'm going to show you how it sets up, how quick it is, and I'll go through the quality and the size and see if you want to get one for yourself. We'll continue to unravel it. Look down. Now we read the directions at home. Yeah, let's pull it out. And then remember how we did this?
Straighten up.
No, I think it's up here. We read the directions, but it was kind of self-explanatory eventually. So what'd you do? It's this thing? Oh, you just pull it out. Look at that. Look at that. You don't even have to do anything to click it open. You just pull on the holes and it clicks. That's it. It's already set up.
And that was under
Yeah.
seconds?
And we were trying to figure it out. Like, we set it up once at home and read the instructions, but I forgot. So we just figured it out as we did it, and that's how quick it was. Let's turn it around so it looks that way. So it's this way. All right, and then we'll stake it in so it doesn't blow away. I'll put the measurements on there so you can see how big it is. It's about 6 feet tall inside. And I'll put the measurements, I don't remember the measurements for the sides, but we can look inside. I think this is the 6-person tent. So this opens up here, it stops here. You got an extra window. So you only got half. It'd be nice if this whole thing opened up, but let's go look inside. So this is the inside. Pretty high up. Let's see this. So I'm 6 feet tall. I don't know if you can see me here. 6 feet, and I'm touching the top, but you can stand, and you have plenty of space. Maybe 6 feet wide wingspan, maybe 7 feet on the bottom as it comes like this. And got it on Amazon, easy ship. It doesn't pack up too tight. You wouldn't want to like backpack with this thing. It's pretty large. So you put it in your truck, you drop it down. It's pretty heavy. But otherwise, I mean, the setup was very quick and pretty spacious. It's just the two of us. And we've got a queen size cot mattress that we're gonna put in here. And this is perfect. So A+. I love the easy setup tents. I mean, you can't beat how quick that is, especially if you just want like an easy outing for the weekend. 60 seconds or less to set it up. A+, I say. Do an update. This is the next morning, and I'm opening the front flap here to show the ground, how it's not very wet. It didn't rain. There was a heavy dew during the night, as you can see from the table here. And this tent is considered a WeatherTech tent, so you'd think it could withstand a good amount of water, but as you can see here, this is the inside of the tent, and the water just from the dew was getting through. And just one mark down for the Coleman tent, but otherwise, good quick setup. And hope you liked the video, and hope you learned a little bit, and can help you make a decision on your next tent purchase. Thanks for watching.